I'm not entirely sure. But it sounds like he's found someone better to fight me.
Found someone? I wonder. What do you mean by found?
Your body and mind are mine now.
He's actually doing it! Vegeta! Babbidi's using the evil in your heart to control you. Clear your mind. Remove all evil thoughts from your head.
Shut the hell up! I don't need you to tell me what to do!
Yes, yes! That's it! You belong to me now! While I have control of you, allow me to push your power past its limits!
Vegeta! No! Don't let that monster take control of you!
Vegeta!
It's too late.
Yes, yes, very good. Let's give you a more interesting place to fight. Pa-pa-ra-pa-pa!
Hey!
This is the World Tournament Arena.
Who are those guys? They just appeared out of nowhere.
Right then. Now, what was your name again? Ah, yes, Vegeta. Fight all of those cretins with everything you have. I want their energy.
Shut up. I only want to fight Kakarot. I don't care about anyone or anything else.
What's going on here? How is this buffoon still not completely under my control? This is a first. Oh well, I suppose it doesn't matter.
No! What are you doing? Ah! Get out of here! Ah! Vegeta!
Now, fight me, Kakarot! That is, unless you want me to add more bodies to the growing pile.
No! Goku, don't do it! If you fight here, you'll be playing right into Babbidi's hands. Your energy will be absorbed, and Majin Buu will be revived.
Vegeta, I can't believe this. You let Babidi take control of your mind on purpose, just so I'd fight you with everything I got. That right?
Are you serious?
This is the only way I could get you to fight me. You're only here in this world for a single day. And now we're being dragged into this waste of time and energy.
You mean... you're doing all of this for such a petty reason?
A petty reason? How dare you! This means everything to me! I don't give a damn about Majin Buu! This bastard continues to leave me in the dust every single opportunity! He has surpassed me, a fellow Saiyan! Me! The once mighty, the once proud Prince of the Saiyans! I've even had my life saved by this buffoon! You will never forgive him for that! Not ever!
Babidi! Take us somewhere with no other people around! I'm about about to go head-to-head with Vegeta!
Don't do it! If you absolutely must fight him, then you will have to go through me first.
Dad!
I understand. Have it your way.
I'm sorry.
As you wish, I'll transport you somewhere else. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa!
You two fight to your heart's content.